Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Propichain token. Name of the token is Propichain, ticker symbol is Pchain. You can find them on their webpage here, propichain.io. They have a full white paper, token information, and this token is having a pre-sale, but right now there is a whitelist to join the exclusive pre-sale access, and you can do that for extra bonus rewards. So it hasn't started exactly now, but there is whitelisting available today, and you can check that out on their webpage, propichain.io. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box and let's get into this token here. So propichain.io, like I said, is their official webpage. You can create an account on there and log in. There's a whitelist button right at the top of the page. Also, like all over the place, it says get early access, join whitelist. There's all sorts of buttons all over the page that'll take you anywhere you need to go. There's also a link. Click on that. You can either click on frequently asked questions, how to buy, white paper, tokenomics, how it works, vision, homepage. There's even a little chat box in the corner of the screen. You can click on that and ask questions. So it says hassle-free real estate investing, tokenization, revolutionize real estate with Propichain, unlock the future of property ownership with blockchain-powered solutions. So token is Pchain, is the ticker symbol. It says join the Propichain whitelist now for exclusive pre-sale access and extra bonus rewards. And then you put in your email and it says be the first to know. So you could do that to try to get on the whitelist and get rewards before the pre-sale even starts. So their vision, it says Propichain's mission is to revolutionize real estate using blockchain technology. We are pioneering a new era of real estate where transactions are accessible, efficient, and inclusive. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, we're building a vibrant community that connects property owners, tenants, investors, and developers worldwide. Our platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to navigate the complexities of real estate markets with ease. As we continue to grow, Propichain remains dedicated to defining real estate for the digital age. So, how does it work? Own fractional shares of real estate investment across the world. Imagine a world where you could own a piece of real estate on the other side of the continent for as little as $1,000. So the future of ownership is real estate, all generating you passive income. How Propichain simplifies the real estate value chain is one simple example. It says two parties agree to transact using Propichain. This could be for the purchase of a sale of a piece of property or a simple one-year rental agreement. The parties use the Propichain platform to solidify the terms of their agreement in the Propichain smart contract, which includes whatever terms and conditions the parties agreed to, including dates of payments, amounts due, length of the agreement, penalties for non-compliance, etc. They've been featured in all sorts of different news articles like Coinpedia, Cryptopolian, News BTC, Blockchain Reporter, CoinGate, the Crypto Times, Analytics Insight, the Bitcoinist. So that's where I saw this project was advertised in a news article. Now this token here has a total supply of 1 billion tokens. 45% of those tokens are going to go to the public pre-sale, 12% exchange liquidity, 12% ecosystem development, 10% marketing, 10% bonus tokens, 7% team and advisors, 4% influencers and KOLs. It says experience unmatched security and scalability with the Pchain token. Enjoy these exclusive benefits. 0 fee transactions, save on costs within the Propichain ecosystem, generous staking rewards, earn up to 225% annual percentage yields on your Pchain holdings. Get fractional NFTs, acquire and trade NFTs to earn over 4,000% yield. Premium access, unlock exclusive benefits and privileges. Governance power, shape the future of Propichain through voting. Unlimited referrals, earn rewards for inviting new users, and community rewards, participate in giveaways and events. So their roadmap here, starting with phase 1, it says here they have the foundation path, blueprint release, website launch, community development, smart contract development, security and audits, and pre-sale launch. Phase 2, future map, community growth, pre-sale expansion, marketing thrust, KOLs engagement, platform development, giveaway launch. Phase 3, success chart, pre-sale conclusion, platform alpha release, token distribution, coin market cap, CoinGecko listing, initial decentralized exchange offering, and experience the tokenization. Now, how to buy is on here. So on their webpage, they have phase 1, how to buy, the method 1, sign up. Sign up using your email, verify your email, select the crypto or USD amount, click on payment. You will see a wallet address, QR code. So this is all on their webpage, propichain.io. And then they have a different method using Wallet Connect as well. So yeah, it says you could use crypto or USD to purchase the token. There is a button right on their webpage, purchase presale. So I suggest you obviously look for an audit first. Maybe it's on their white paper here. I'm going to click on that in a second. It does say in their roadmap, checked off security audit and smart contract development. So there should be an audit somewhere here. They have frequently asked questions. What is Propichain? How does it work? What are the benefits? How do I get whitelisted? How can I join the presale? Is it secure? I don't see an audit there. So we click on, it says minimum investment is $50. They have an Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here. Maybe the audit is on their socials. Maybe they posted it on there. So we could check that as well. But that is super important that you check security audits before investing in any token. So let's click on white paper. So the white paper does work, propichain.gitbook.io. Now they have introduction, the discovery of a loophole, blockchain integration, smart contracts. So I don't, oh, there's an audit right there. Okay, and the smart contracts. Propichain smart contract audit report. So that takes us over to a block audit PDF. So it says here, let me try to download the raw file here. All right, so block audit.pdf, 18 page. All right, so it does work here. You could scroll through before this video is done and see if there's any warnings on the audit. So it says 8 issues found. So there is a lot of issues with this audit. This is an Ethereum token, it says. Language solidity. And it says they passed the audit. It says results passed, but then you go down to findings and it says 0 critical issues. It says 1 high issue, 1 medium issue, 5 low issues, and 1 gas optimization issue. So 1, 2, 3 of them have been acknowledged, it says. So that's good. The high and 1 of the medium issues and 1 of the low issues are all resolved. But there's still 1, 2, 3, 4 low issues that are just acknowledged and not resolved yet. And 1 gas optimization issue not resolved yet. So there's still 4 low issues only acknowledged, and one gas issue only acknowledged, and none of those are resolved. Now, I can't say for sure, oh, this token is going to be a scam or anything like that, because who knows until it actually does. All I know that is there's 4 low issues and 1 gas issue on their audit. So definitely take this token with a grain of salt and thoroughly do your own research before investing. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.